They are freeing the prisoners. So where you won't go?
Where are you going to?
You know see this one. You know
why would you come inside?
they are freeing the prisoners. So they broke their prison. So.
Wait, the prisoners don't come out.
Oh boy, they free the prisoners. So. See.
Which will they up there?
They want to open the roof now. Oh boy.
Now they naked so they appeal, they don't free the see prison now. They put boss at the way another one though. Now they say so riot they prison and I full road so. See there. See there, freedom. Prison now they naked so.
And it's in a farm and the farm for village. They go arrest me, president. They go arrest. They put allegation from me. I keep us okay and I not do anything. Now they put me for 62 days now. No court, nothing. Now I'm in the support, no visit.
Today you are free. Now beneath you, that's the way you go. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Yeah, you.
Our prisoners must go. Freedom. Prisoners. Now beneath the runner. Operation go. Freedom. Prisoners. This is Benin Prison, Sapla Road. Thank you. Freedom.
All the police station.
Freedom. Yes, now you stay inside prison 4 years. 4 years. 4 years now you stay inside prison.
God bless you now.
Freedom. They don't scatter up. They don't free prisoners, so boys don't burn. Don't free prisoners, so all the prisoners out. Freedom.
Say prisoners. See all of them. Say prisoners. All prisoners are free. You are free.
Now we may go boss prison, so now we may go free people. Nigeria will be child play again, no. Nigeria will be child play again. Eh? That's it, release. Eh? But they don't free you now. Thank God for you. Now we may do the job. Thank God for you. Correct guys. That one. Now how they go put us for prison?